Well, hey all, welcome back. I got a question for you. Can kitchen knives be too sharp? Well, most chefs would probably tell you no, but I'll guarantee you one thing. These knives from Knife Saga are razor sharp. They're high carbon steel, Japanese style. And I'm going to tell you what, these are some very sharp knives. Now, the folks at Knife Saga sent me this at no charge so that I could check it out and share my thoughts with you. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see the knives up close along with the knife block. And I'm going to use them to make some steak bites using this steak and these ridiculously large mushrooms. These knives come in a beautiful acacia wood block so you can keep them handy right on your kitchen countertop. The block even has an anti-slip silicone base. Acacia wood is a strong, durable wood that's naturally water resistant. This 14-piece set includes an 8-inch chef's knife, a serrated bread knife, a 7-inch long Sudoku knife, a 5-inch utility knife, a 3.5-inch paring knife, 6 steak knives, and a pair of kitchen shears. The acacia wood block even has a built-in sharpener. These razor sharp knives are made of premium Japanese high carbon steel, and according to the manufacturer, they are heat treated, which helps them maintain that razor sharp edge up to 3 times longer than standard kitchen knives. Let's see them in action. I'm going to cut up this steak and mushrooms for some steak bites. Let me just check and see how well they will slice the tomato. Now, when I make steak bites with mushrooms, I mix just a little bit of steak seasoning in and let them sit until they come up to room temperature. Then I toss them in a hot skillet and cook them until they're golden brown. And I like to serve them with garlic butter and a little bit of Arby's sauce. Personally, I think these knives would make a great gift because a lot of folks don't have a good set of knives. They're perfect for homeowners, newlyweds, or anyone setting up their kitchen. I definitely recommend them. Thanks for watching.